it's very very pretty in terms of the colors. Colors बहुत ही vibrant है, and something that a young girl like me would want to wear and go out, and you know the jewelry is complementing with the designs. It is very special because I think I have worn a salwar kameez for somebody like a chudidar anarkali for the first time. Otherwise, whenever I've done a showstopper, it's always been a sari or you know western outfit. So it's really nice. I mean, I feel really good wearing it because anarkalis are something personally I wear a lot as compared to a sari. While you know when I'm going out for a function, whether it's a wedding or an engagement, I prefer wearing an anarkali because I'm much more comfortable in it. I think her creativity in terms of here, she's used a lot of net and you know something like a Banarasi chudidar. So I think more than it's transparent, so you can actually see the Banarasi through it. So I think these are the qualities a designer should have, and she has all of them. So
I have come out with net collection with transparent georgette lining and Banarasi churidar. Now this is something nobody has done it because velvet, brocade, net, everything is incorporated in this. And along with Charu Jewellers, this jewelry, I think it enhances the clothes very well. This particular collection I have aimed at the young girls because it is not traditional anarkali, but it is westernized anarkali, which nobody has come out with.
I loved Nisha's collection, and I just wish her all the best. I should definitely pick something. I really liked one sari there. Lovely colors, lovely fabric, and they've made it. I mean, I love the whole, the collection of this season. I'm loving the colors, the kind of fabric she has used, and love the, the fit of the, especially lehengas.